Deputy President of MDCT, Thokozani Kope, Dr. Thokozani Kope, she actually made her first presentation using a PowerPoint to Parliament. So do you think it's the right move, considering that some of our members of Parliament are not that well versed with technology?
Yeah, we have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. You know, at some point I had a brief stint in government, and I understood why we still have ministers that employ secretaries, because you can't even open their own email. You know, so everything is done by the secretary. So if you want a rapid response, you can't get it. Yet we are moving technology-wise. So the move by Thokozani Kope is impressive. It's a first, and I remember, you know, people used to say former Deputy Prime Minister Adam Tambara. Yeah. You know, at some point he was being denied entry into Munumdapa with an iPad, because they were saying, no, we don't allow gadgets into this. And he said, no, but I do my work on an iPad. So you have to tell the president to allow me to enter with an iPad. So I think there's a lot that needs to be changed. An appreciation within government that we are moving towards technology, paperless societies. We now need to save our trees. We now need to communicate more on ICT-based platforms. That's where you find people. That's where you find young people. That's where you find communities that you want to address.